Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and the card details. This fixes most declines. Check the billing address exactly matches the bank record, and confirm expiration and CVV. Once done, make sure your iPhone has working network access and iOS is current. Updates often resolve payment bugs. Now restart the phone and try a low-cost purchase or verification charge. If it still declines, don't panic. Move to removing and re-adding the payment method next. Now delete the problematic payment method and re-add it fresh. Add the card manually if the camera fails, and make it the primary payment method so App Store charges use it. If you're on family sharing, ensure the organizer's payment method is valid because child purchases draw from that card. Also confirm your Apple ID country matches the card's billing country. Mismatches cause declines. Once re-added, verify with your bank or watch for a temporary verification. Hold to confirm. Finish by attempting a small test purchase or downloading a free app to trigger the payment flow. If it still fails, reset network settings to clear lingering connection problems, then try again. If declines persist, call your bank to check for fraud blocks or international restrictions. They can often lift holds in minutes. Finally, contact Apple support to inspect your Apple ID payment records. A single helpful tip: try a different card or Apple Pay as a quick workaround while resolving the original issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.